Welcome back to Storm Center. I'm meteorologist Jaqui Jeras. Meteorologist Chris Bruin's on the radar. We'll get to him in just a moment as we look across the globe. You can see some action in the east and the west. It's really the coast of the country that are going to be active as we head through the next several days. So let's talk about the big weather headlines. We'll start out with the flood threat, and that's going to be across parts of the southeast here yet tonight into tomorrow. We'll see another area of low pressure developing, and that's going to draw in warm moisture. Can't rule out a few storms reaching severe limits near the Gulf Coast, but most of us just dealing with heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and that risk of flooding. Now, the moisture works its way into the northeast as well. I know we've got some showers across the region right now. We'll get another shot at all this coming through on Sunday and into your Monday. And notice that this will be fairly warm, at least warm enough that most of us will be getting rain, not snow. Places like Green Bay, northern parts of lower Michigan, and the north woods of Maine will be getting the snow, however. And as for the west, we've got a series of storm systems coming in here that are going to be very powerful, especially concerned about the flood threat starting Sunday and Monday into next week. We could get river flooding. We could get urban flooding in places like Seattle and Portland. Up to 5 inches of rain will be possible there. But into the Olympics, we could be talking about as much as 10 to 15 inches of rainfall. Meteorologist Chris Bruin on the radar right now. He has more on where the storms are at the moment. What's catching your eye, Bruin?
You know, we got a lot of substantial rain pushing
Atlanta right now at Centennial Olympic Park, where a heavy rain is going to be moving back in this weekend. So I know it's dreary out there right now, but we also have a lot of fans that are going to be in town for the SEC championship game at nearby Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Georgia Bulldogs taking on the Alabama Crimson Tide. And good thing is it's a retractable roof, so it will be closed during the game tomorrow. And that's a good thing because I really think Saturday is going to be the wettest day of the weekend, and things might look a little bit better late in the day on Sunday. We'll see how it shakes out. But in the meantime, whether you're thinking about tailgating, pregame and inside is going to be a better route. But temperatures aren't going to be too bad. It'll be in the 60s, much like today. So kind of on the mild side here overall. So no severe weather, I don't think, in Atlanta, but there is a chance further to the south tomorrow. The rainfall will be a bigger deal south of Interstate 20 in terms of the heavier amount. That's where a few spots could get in the 3 to 5 inch range, but a lot of us could be picking up still another 1 to 2 inches of rainfall overall. So this is a lot. Our ground already getting pretty soggy here. I know much of this region still in drought conditions, but we're putting a nice big dent into it, especially across the state of Alabama and into parts of Georgia that need it. Deficits really big still in Louisiana, especially in New Orleans, and we haven't seen quite as much rainfall into those regions. But that next area of low pressure will be coming surging through. It starts to push on up into the northeast by this weekend, and there you can see the showers across the region right now. It's not raining where you are. It's probably pretty cloudy and dreary. So we also have rain in other